Hello gamers, welcome to the stream. We're getting back into some VelocityRush development. Let's see. I'm gonna set myself up for about an hour and a half. And then I gotta run. We're working on a couple things today. Let's take a look at our to-do list right here. All the games loading up. Alright, so I'm working on a hard task today. I'm still working on from yesterday this pause menu. Well, no, this settings. So settings and pause menu are kind of like tied together. So we're gonna go ahead and highlight these. Levels 5. No, set dressing for all levels. I might bring that down. Medium. Let's also bring this down. I'm gonna change this instead of difficulty to priority. Priority. So these are like first things first. We gotta take care of this stuff first. Tutorial UI visual graphics. Yeah, clean up topography for all levels. This will go to so like I guess I have to have all this stuff visual. Come on, go left. Oh, I see. Okay. Let's go ahead and make everything visible, and then we're gonna redo this. Let's activate, accelerate. Once points are activated. What? Once points are activated, accelerate until collides. Points. Models. This is low priority. So we're just gonna redo this. Low priority. Add checkpoints to longer levels, flush the system. This is normal priority. Add load request to playtesters. This is actually already done, so I can delete this. I guess I just put it like, I don't want to lose it. I want to see my progress. Let's say done. Or complete, and then we'll just like fill it in like this. Okay, pause menu is a high priority. Look sensitivity, high priority. Levels, this is a normal priority. Like we just got to get to it. Set dressing for all levels, this is a normal priority too. Tutorial UI visual graphics, that's high priority. Clean up topography for all levels and export. This is a low priority. Point system add ups and records time. This is a normal priority. Spawn box collision with camera collider. This is, we'll do this as normal. New point models for city level. This is a low priority. Add water hard deck. It's a normal. Goal and objective UI. Normal. Be like next. Collision detection and city level, rotating barrel and walls. This is a little low for now. Tell players that they can jump or move on red surfaces. Let's do normal for that. There's gotta be like, I gotta maybe do like numbers or something. Add wall jumping levels. This is normal. Make surface with low friction. Low. When you finish the level, make a sound victory sound. We'll do that a little as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at our priorities. High. So here's all my high priority stuff. Tutorial. So I think obviously this is gonna go first, and then tutorial UI, visual graphics. Ethan's working on that, so I can't really do anything. Then here's all the normal stuff. Let's order the normal stuff. Order within its own thing. So this is like 1 in 1. So I think in here, I'll decide what order to do these in. Add jumping levels, goal UI, I think is 1. Add water deck, I think that should be 2. Set dressing, last. Add checkpoints with all of your levels, last, because that's going to have to get updated then when you finish level. Oh no, add checkpoints to longer levels. So these kind of go together. So these are like tied together. Set dressing for props, these are tied together. Point system, add up, records time. I think this one. Then I can do this one. Tell players they can jump and move fast. Let's do this one. Add wall jumping levels. This goes with those other ones. Okay, so these all go together. These are all like level building type stuff, so we'll do all that at the same time. When you finish a level, victory, low surface, collision detection, the rotating barrels, new point models for city levels. Once points models are activated, okay, so we'll do this first. Second. Third, fourth, fifth. No, let's do this. Fifth and sixth. Okay, so here's my order. 0, because Ethan's working on that. So obviously, this is our biggest priority. That's what we're working on more today. Right. So I'm in my settings menu, and this text was acting weird, so I gotta fix that. So let's go ahead and look at my back button. This was the thing that was having issues. I think because I deleted the actual fonts. So let's yeah. So I think that's maybe why. Okay, so I've got to restore this stuff, but I got to choose the right stuff to restore. I don't think this is all. Here we go. Just make sure everything's good. Okay. Now we should see it in our Unity. So here they are again. There. Okay, got all my fonts back. So now let's try to change this again and see if that fixed it. It did. It fixed it. See, that was my bad. Sister Spray is not here though. It's just colored wrong. Turn gradient on? No. Sister Spray is broken still. Let me look at it again. It's got its thing. Okay. So let's just look at this again. Let's check these for Sister. See if Sister Spray works. Yes. Okay. So let's double check this. Okay, so I want to do something where like when you, the button itself is like transparent. Sorry, watch out. Here we go. There we go. I want to do something that makes the button transparent. Urban Heroes. You can see that some of these just do not work. Back. I love these dudes. These are so good. Yeah, Sister Spray just doesn't seem to work. And Urban Heroes just doesn't work either. Let's look at Urban Heroes. Here's my Urban Heroes asset. Here's my font. Let's check it with this to make sure that it works. I mean, it works. So I'm not sure why in the back or in the button some of the fonts don't work. that just means I gotta like not use those fonts in the back button. That's fine. I can choose another font. Maybe this one? Or this one? I think this one? This one? Man, I really like the font that's on the page right now. I'm having a hard time understanding like what exactly is getting in the way. Let's go to the back button itself, and then let's do the normal color, make it really transparent, and then press play and see, because I want it to be transparent. And you can see if you highlight it, it goes, okay, that's fine. Let's bring in the text. I mean, I gotta choose something. I can't let it be like not visible. I think this is a good font. And then let's make it a gradient. Nope. And then let's make it white. And then let's do like red instead. Red and purple. Red and black. Red and green. I just red on red. It's not bad. That's kind of cool. Okay, let's play this and see what it does. It should, I don't know. Okay, that's not bad. Let's make the highlighted color red with some fade. I'll copy this, paste it here. Take this pressed color, make it red. Fade that out as well. Okay. Now let's play. There you go. That's pretty good. I don't mind that. Let's up this and see what it does. Oh, dude, I love that. Okay. I know that the scale here modifies this, but what I want to do is make it so that the box is a little bit like big. I want the box to either encase the thing or be smaller than the thing. Oh, this is exactly what I want. Okay. Stop it. Stop it. Where's the auto? Oh no, hang on. Give me a second. Cancel that. Text. Do not auto size. Bring the font up. Go to the box. Make the width down. Height up. Press OK. And we say back. That's what I want. Sweet, dude. Oh my god, this is gonna be so awesome. Okay, I have an idea. So we're gonna get a image that we can put in here. Okay, so let's go grab that. Turn that off. I need to replace that song too. Okay, so concrete wall PNG. Concrete wall PNG. Okay. brick wall PNG. Grimy. Something. Okay. Dirty brick wall texture. Let's see if I can get that. There we go. That's not bad. This is kind of what I want. Go ahead and copy this. Let's go into GIMP, and we're gonna modify this a bit. So my idea is like to up the contrast and then black out, like make it black. Or okay, so maybe I can do like a color pass or something. I don't know if that's the right word. But basically I make 2 layers and I put a layer on top that's just like a super saturated version of it. So let's do colors, levels. Let's just go all black. Is that what I want? Or do I want this? I want something in between. See, this gives me these lines. I think this is good. And then I go to colors, contrast, and I bump up the contrast, bring down the brightness, just like that. Okay. And then I go to, again, colors. I just want to make this black and white. So do filters, artistic. I wonder if there's like a colors filter. Saturation, just bring it down. Oh, there we go. There we go. And put this on, we make this a, what is it again? Multiply? I forgot what kind of layer it has to be. Overlay? Shoot. Value? My God. Okay, we can just try all these. That's not it. That's not it. That ain't it. Oh wait, I have an idea. So go to we'll go here. We'll select by color, select the white, select grow. Let's do 1. That's not what I want. We'll do selection inverted. So I only have the other stuff. Selection grow by 1. And then we're gonna do a black over, we're gonna like color it in so that the layers are black again. I think I'm pretty sure the layer, like now that I'm thinking about it, is it's multiply. So I have to multiply for this. Okay. Go ahead and select none. Let's go ahead and select this again. Make it a multiply layer, or make it opacity down? No, it's multiply. Okay, it's not exactly. So let's go back. So here's my selection. Select grow again. Let's go by another. Let's go again. Another pixel. Make it thicker. Let's do it again. Let's just go again. Just make it thicker again. Then we're gonna do something with this. We're gonna make this more vibrant. So let's make this multiply. Selection none. Yeah, there we go. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, nice. Okay, so then we take this. So we're gonna Okay, one thing I gotta do, I gotta copy this. I'm gonna copy this. Copy this. This is a layer. I need to erase everything off this layer. Take everything off. Now we do a selection, all. Then we do a selection, shrink. Let's go by 4 pixels. Yep, and then I'm gonna color in, selection invert, and I'm gonna color in these edges. Sorry, hang on. I think I might need to even grow it a little bit more. Selection, grow by some more. Let's do that instead. Let's have a really thick outer border so it's really visible. Okay, so now, give that. Let's go to desktop, pictures. Let's just sell here, save it here. This is brick wall. Brick wall. Cell shaded. Save it. Make this visible again, make this visible. Selection, none. And so now, when you're looking at the edge here, it's like a flush edge. I think I need more, honestly. So let's go ahead and do this again. Select my color. Select invert. Select grow. Let's go, I don't know, 4. I think that'll be better. There we go. Man, I feel like more. This is a, because the goal, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make a like a backdrop for the graffiti. Select none. That's better. That's way better. Okay, so now last thing is I want to filter this to be a little bit more cartoonish. Okay, I like that. Yeah, let's go with this. All right, so then we do export as, go to desktop, Unity, projects, VelocityRush, go to assets, and we'll set it right here. And then we're going to make a folder for pictures in a second. Okay. Back to the game. The assets. So let's go ahead and make a pictures. Create folder pictures. Okay. So we need this and this and this and this and this. Right in the pictures. This one we can delete. Yep. Roller material. Just drop that in there. It's fine. Rolling script, stage toggle, and canvas controller. Put those into the scripts. Roller physics material, not needed. Okay, save. Now, go back here to the title menu. Go ahead and turn this off. Turn the title menu on. And then we're going to save the title menu. Now let's go to my pictures. The black opaque. This is confusing. 19, 20. No, I see why I was doing that. It's fine. Copy this, paste this, take this, rename brick wall. Copy this, paste this, drop this in here, make it normal colors. What's the rate? What is the 213,157? 213,157. 213,157. 2 13. 2132. 2132. I cannot remember. 1517. 1517. There you go. It's normal. Now we gotta just scale it down. 1. There we go. Scale it down a little bit more. So I have my image. So here's my image, like it was before. I'm gonna parent it to, I guess right here is fine actually. All right. So I'm gonna bring it up so that it's just enough. I'm gonna position it to the left, right here. So good. So good. Oh, baby. All right. Love it. Love it. Next is to fix the other menus. So the black opaques here, I don't need them. Let's go ahead and mess with this. So this is a black opaque. This one needs to be modified to be the brick texture. I need to use the same aspect ratio again. Once I get this set up, I can just copy and paste it. 213 157. 2132 1517. Okay, black opaque, I don't need that. Let's go ahead and turn that off. Maybe a little bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this, scale it back. Oopsie, what did I press? I see. Okay, there we go. That's so much better. That's just so much cooler. Okay, let's do something about this. So I think what I'll do, I'll fix, obviously I'm gonna have to fix all the fonts. That goes without saying. What I would love to do is like if you press the arrow, it the camera moves over to the next menu. Like that would be so cool. I don't think I have the time or the know-how. I don't think I know how to do that. Okay, so everything falls within this red square. I'm starting to figure out how to manipulate this stuff a lot better. Let's rename this, which is great. Brick wall. Okay, let's go ahead and copy this into the other things. Okay. This will replace the black opaque. I just think it's way more classy looking, especially with the graffiti. So let's go ahead and delete the black opaque. Where's the brick wall? What? It should be visible. Whoa, hang on. What? What's going on? What the hell? Okay, let's do this since it's acting up. There it goes. fix this. Okay. Good. Oh, looks so good! It looks so good! Holy crap. Phenomenal. Okay. So, something we can do is take these vertex colors. They're white, yeah? But we can take them and make them slightly transparent. So that they're like visible on the background. Let's go ahead and take all these. We're gonna make them slightly transparent. Like, not even. Barely transparent. Okay? Then we're gonna take their font sizes. No. That was bad. I think the font sizes between, like, these two are the same. But the other ones I don't think will work. I don't like their positioning. Their positioning just feels off. Let's spread it out. Okay, so I know that this will have 2 sliders. Let's bring them down. Right here. And then one will go left and the other will go right. Okay. And then there's going to be sliders for them. Let's go ahead and say x-axis. Rename x. Rename y. X. Axis. Oh my god, it looks so cool. Y. Axis. Let's make it a capital Y. Y axis. Now we take them both. Scale them down. I like their heights to stay that way. Like that. And then bring them up. And then we're going to take the Y and move it to the... Oh, shoot. Move it to the left. I think that's better. It's kind of hard to tell. Oh, wait. I know how to do this. I don't want it here. I want it here. So I'm going to parent it to this. And then I can see where it is on the x-axis. So we'll go, this one is 330. Oh, shoot. 330. And this one will be neg 330. Where's my negative button? Negative 330. There you go. Now it's centered. And now I can put it back into underneath the sensitivity. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it still looks weird. Just do 300. The music stopped. Hang on. There you go. Okay. But now, what I have to do is add some more stuff. So, UI toolkit, I need a slider. Here we go. Anyone here too? UI slider. I take back both of these, move them down. Gonna scale them both up. Okay, we're gonna make both of their min value 0, max value 100. Whole numbers. Value should start at 50. Okay, very good. We're gonna do like a similar setup for the other thing. So we're gonna copy these, put it under sound, take this game object, or game objects within, bring their positions down. Okay. We're gonna say rename this to music, and this to SFX. Okay. Okay. Now, music. This is gonna be music. Tunes. Music. SFX. Holy moly, looking great. So we're gonna make some modifications to these texts as well. We'll keep that as it is. We're gonna have to ID these sliders, but that's fine, we'll do that in time. Let's go ahead and modify these colors a little bit. Let's just make them a little bit more, let's see, let's choose some cool colors. Let's do like that, that's good. Let's do like a, oh man, that looks great. Music and SFX. Let's go ahead and modify these a little bit. I kind of like the way that looks. I just want it to be like more neon. Okay. And then what we can do is just like, you know, do a little modification per thing so it's a little bit more varied. And then let's make the X. I think in, hang on, let me look at the scene better. X is green, Y is, yeah. So we'll say X is a little bit more, or X is red, excuse me. X is a little bit more red. So we'll make it a little bit more red. And then Y in here is green, so we'll make the other one a little bit more green. It's just like a continuity type thing. Yeah, there we go. Sound, music, SFX. Let's just add some more like purple. Let's use more purple. Oh, let's take that away. Maybe add green instead. Blue. There we go. That looks cool. SFX. Let's make this like orangey. All right. Dude, sick. Let's make this, let's take this away. I think I just want it like pure black, or pure red. Okay. Oh, baby. Look at this. I'm gonna take a picture and send it to the boys. Copy. Send this to some people. Oopsie, hang on. Hang on. Hang on. You're not allowed to see that. Oh my god. Let's see. VelocityRush art. Send it to this chat too. Let's send it to my friend as well. Alright. Freaking sick, dude. It's sick, dude. So freaking sick. Sorry, it's ads. Alright. Dude. So fucking cool. Okay, now I have it. I have to make sure it's linked. So this is a part that I've been kind of thinking about is how to link this. I'm gonna use the game manager. The game manager is gonna store the settings of the game. So because let's see. I'm trying to think. So the game music is here. The game music can be modified by this. The SFX is inside the player. So SFX has to get stored in the game manager. X-axis and Y-axis also has to get stored in the game manager. And that is because the player... Whoa, hang on. The player is the guy, is the thing that's store. Hang on, let me think. Shoot, there's gonna be so much to save. This is like a little complicated. Like I can get it to work, but I can't get it to save, and I want it to save. So I will work on making sure that it's savable after I get it working, just in general. So the music immediately affects this. These guys get stored in this script. So let's go ahead and edit this script. This is going to be the script that the player references to change his own settings. Okay, that's what I'll do. So first of all, I need to get private booleans, private floats. That's not how you do that. Equals private floats, x-axis, or sensitivity, so wait, x sense, y sense, and SFX volume. Okay, there we go. Now I gotta remember how to connect them. Complete levels, delete, save level. Start. Okay. Whew. I need to do an on update. Okay, so I've done this before, and I did it really well before. I'm having a hard time remembering. How to use slider UI in Unity. Okay, I don't want a video, I want the documentation. There we go. Okay, so here's my slider. Okay. Okay, so I think I need to reference the sliders and then on start select them. Or no. Okay, so this is what I'll do. Public slider, like that. Okay. And we're gonna have 3 of these things. Public slider, X-axis slider, Y-axis slider, and SFX slider. SFX slider. Okay. So let's check to make sure I can put those in. Cool. X slider, Y slider, and my SFX slider. Great. Well, why not? Okay, so I'm gonna have to have it reference either way. Let's do a music slider too. Let's just call it M music volume. And then we'll do M slider or music slider. Like that. Okay, let's put this here. Okay, So now, sorry. So now on start, all of the volumes will be equal to whatever it is here. And then trying to figure out the order of operations here. Complete level, save data, or delete save complete level. This is good. I'm gonna need to modify the game data to save this. Okay, so actually, right now it's just saving levels. Let's also save this stuff. Private float, this data. I don't really care about the slider references. This is what I need to save. Public pool levels, we'll do public float X sensitivities. Okay, levels equals new bool. Okay, let me just like figure this out real quick. So whenever the game data object is created, it makes an array, or it sets the array equal to the game manager levels.length. So you get a new array that is the size of the levels length. Then for every level, you set the boolean of our levels array to this. Okay, so we're literally just setting our levels array equal to whatever the game manager says. So that's what we want to do for this. So x since is equal to game manager dot x since. So that means that we have to go to the game manager and make this public as well. Okay, no problem. Let's hide this in the inspector, because I don't want them to see this. Hide in inspector. Shouldn't I do the same for the Boolean array? Hang on, let's go see the Boolean array real quick. I don't know what it looks like. It's empty. So we also want to hide this inspector. I don't want them to be able to see this. Hide in the inspector. Okay, there we go. Okay, cool. So this will enable me to get this data, this data saved into the binary folder, or the binary file. Makes sense. Music volume, music volume, and then SFX volume. That way that we're saving the characters like what they want. So when they leave and they come back, their settings will still be the same and they can keep playing the normal way. Now, okay, this needs to get updated by the sliders. Another thing is they need to be updated by the player. So the player's pause menu will have some sliders, but we'll handle the sliders there. We're handling these sliders here for the menu. That's fine. Let me just make sure that this continues to work. When we save the game, I just want to make sure that there's no, like, we don't have to hang on. This is enabling the level. So this pulls out of the game manager's levels. I want this script is on every single button. This game manager has access. Hang on. So this game manager, hang on. So on start, debug levels equals new bool level selector transform child count. We go through and initialize all of the buttons to false, and then we load the game data. So game data equals save load game. If data equals null, you don't do anything. If it doesn't equal null, you do this. Now, this is where we will do the opposite of this. So this is where we create it. Copy this. This is where we save the game. So it streams everything into this formatter. So you make the new game data, you format and send it, and you close the stream. When you load, you bring everything back, and then this is the thing. This is the game data where you load the game, and then you're gonna parse out the stuff. So this is right where I want to put the save the data, or this is where I want to put the like how to update, where to update the stuff. So we just put data, 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 and we're done. That's it. Oh, okay. This should work. This should work. I'm not saying it's gonna work. I'm just saying it should work. And then this I need to make like a similar helper function for the sliders to move to the value that they should be. Right. Okay. And I gotta do the same. For I gotta like link them somehow. I gotta think about how to do this. Because the pause menu is going to be a separate entity, but I should get this working first, and then once this is working, I can make the pause menu work. Okay. Can't get rid of this stuff. Save that. I don't need that. I don't need this either. Because this is just a standard static class. This is, or it's just the class that I use. Get rid of this stuff. I don't need that.
When you download the Kroger app, enjoy over
Stage toggler seems to be missing.
coupons and earn fuel points to save up to $1 per gallon at the pump. You can always discover more ways to save big every day.
Canvas controller's missing. Just make sure I get rid of all these. Serializable. I can just close this gap. Save system. I'm using everything there. Okay. Close this. Let's just make sure everything's working. Go and close all these. Close this. The other thing is I don't know how the controller's going to interact. I don't know how the controller's going to interact with the with what do you call it? The settings menu. Let's just see what it does. Oh, something's wrong. Oh, I never set it up. Hang on. Level select, activation. Where? What? Oh, this. This is what I want. So this is the canvas controller. This is what I want for sure. Honestly, you should use the canvas controller for the level select too. I just don't have the time to go fix it right now. But we'll put a canvas controller in here. Canvas controller. Now, whenever we ask it to do this, we will activate the settings level and deactivate the title screen. Is that right? Wait. No, it's this one. Crap. Crap. Settings button. Deactivate title menu. Okay. This belongs in buttons. Honestly, I think this can all go out. Is this got a, this has nothing. This can go out. Press play. Let's just check to make sure this works. Good. Great. Settings? No. Let's go back. Let's make sure my buttons are working. Settings. Activate settings. Deactivate title menu. There's something missing. You do not need a scene loader. You also don't need a scene loader. Exit. This does need one. Oh, I see. Yep, I got it. So this needs put this here, do my function, trigger. There you go. Okay, good. Level select. Menu activation level select. Man, I'm getting, this needs to definitely be modified. Okay, this also needs to be modified. Okay, so now we should see that this works. Okay, so something can't quite get to the other things. So I need to modify the sliders first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Selected color will be green. Pressed color will be, I don't know, like a more yellow green. I don't know. Highlighted color will be a blue or green. I have to make that way obvious. Okay. How do I get to those other ones? Okay, so we need to order them in the event controller through the event system. Send navigation field, select or first selected back, drag threshold. That's fine. I need to figure out a way to make it so that they are recognized. Because right now it's just doing the Y and the X. Okay. Not sure how to get this to work. Because the slider, this is the sliders. Oh, I don't know what that does. We'll change it and see what it does. Navigation. Automatic. What does this change? I don't know what this means. Let's see what it does. Oh my god, this is kind of what it is, what I need though. Ah. Okay, great. This actually helps. So this is the X slider. Oh, no. Okay, so let's do this. Slider. X slider, Y slider. We're gonna change this to explicit. Wait, let's just navigate on vertical. Crap. It only goes to those. Let's navigate on horizontal? I don't know. Yeah, see, then it does this. Okay, then let's make it explicit. Okay, stop. Explicit. Now, the X sliders first. So on up, the X slider will go to the Y axis. So here. Okay, and on down, it'll go to music. There. Now the Y slider. On up. Up will go here. Up will go here. Down will go here. On the Y slider, up will go to the X axis. And down will go to the SFX slider. Now, the music slider. Up will go to the X slider. Down will go to back. Okay. The SFX slider. Up will go to the Y slider. And down will go to back. Let's go to the back. Let's see if it has navigation. It does have navigation. Okay. This is fine. I'll leave back. Hey, Dabber Gamer. What's going on, buddy? Beautiful. This is what I want. Very cool. It looks like back works totally fine. I thought... Okay. Alright. Let's look at back again to make sure that this is working the way I want it. Title setting. Yeah. Great. Phenomenal. Alright, everything is working. Controller's working. Oh, God. Ugh. You're 1 to 2 weeks away from earning your first $200 from your business. That's cool, dude. I am not making anything off my business, but I'm still having a good time. Alright, so now we gotta modify these. So we gotta get these all out. Let's get them all out. Let's go ahead and look at their text. Let's go ahead and change the font. That looks good. Don't like that. Nope. That's kind of good. That's not bad. Does not work. This looks awesome. I wish I could use Sister Spray. This looks good too. I'm gonna use Sister Spray. Velocity Rush releases in March, or the final version of Velocity Rush will be in March. Now, whether or not it is, you know, completed at that time, who knows? I'm not worrying about it too much. Okay, give me a second. I want to put the outline on them. I forgot how to do that. Don't think that is what it is. Oh, it's here. Got it. Go ahead and mark them up. Okay, let's leave it like this. And then we can modify the sizes. Like this. Good. Now we come back over, we grab the buttons. Close these. Take the buttons. We're gonna make the normal color of the button transparent. I wanted to change the color of the text. See, what it's doing now is like highlighting underneath. Let's fix level select text a little bit. I gotta make it shoot. I don't like that. I gotta figure out something to do for level select. If the game is gonna sell for anything at all, dude, it's gonna be $1. But I don't think it'll be worth. I don't think it'll be selling. It'll be free. I think the game's gonna be free. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna charge anything for the game. Again, if it's worth anything, it'll be $1. And if you're interested in, you know, supporting, you can like donate on my itch. But yeah, I don't think the quality of the game will be worth anything by the time like this thing. The game could come we could get the game, you know, to a point where we could sell it potentially. But like right now, like I'm not intending to do that. Dang. Okay, I think actually it might be okay to put it as 0. Let's just give it a little bit of this. Oh. Okay. Oh, dude, this is all the Sister Spray. Okay. I see. Oh, dude, okay. Alright, this is fine. I don't want to modify it right now. I just want... Ouch. want this to. I want the button to be the text. Show navigation flow between UI and no, that's okay. Normal color. Huh. Oh, cold transparent mesh. Maybe I need a maskable sliced fill center pixel per area. Raycast padding. Watching your stream on 2 different devices. Nice. So here's the normal. See this. Maskable. I don't think I'll get lucky here and actually find a way to do this. That's okay. Maybe I should look it up. Hang on. Okay. Unity, how to make button that is only text that changes color. Enter. How to change text and image color button Unity. Tool just sounds funny, dude. Of course it does. How to change text and image color on Unity. Change the color of a UI button with scripting. How to change the text color on a button when you press. Here we go. I have no idea how I can do it, or even if it's will be on scripting threads. Yeah, of course it will. Change color equals blank. Change color in the button on click event. The script will need to have a relevant text field dragged into the inspector slot. I don't like that. Okay, I can come back to this. This is not super relevant. This is like a UI thing. Again, I like this. This is great. Let's go ahead and just fix these back up. So we'll take these buttons, go to normal color will be white with a little bit of transparency. And then the highlighted color will be orange with a little bit of transparency. We'll copy this, paste it here, and then we'll take this and bring it transparency down. So now when we roll through our buttons, okay, that's good. Continue is deactivated, so we need to take continue and make its disabled color black, and bring this back up. No, we need to make it like black. And then we need to go into my text for continue and just need to change its color. I think we can do a strike through. Hang on. Is there a strike through? No, I don't think there is. It's fine. So we'll take the vertex color of this and change it here. Just leave it deactivated for now. 3 devices. You're my entire audience, dude. Alright, great. Settings. Phenomenal. Exit. Disclaimer and credits, I'll leave it like this. That's fine. Start. Oh, baby, she runs like normal. Oh, she's starting to come together. She's starting to come together, baby. Okay. I need to brighten up these levels, and then I'm gonna add the hard deck. I'm gonna fix these up too. I'm gonna put some lights in here or something. And I have some topology issues right here. Whoopsie. Woo! Barely made that. And then we start a new level. Oh, are you able to get in there? Is that what they did? Nope. I can do this. Oh, yeah, dude, let's go. That's so funny. Crap. Move! Oh yeah, something's going on with the lighting system now. I'm gonna have to address that. Something weird is happening. Dang. Oh, I fell. All right. Now this is. I definitely need a pause menu here so that I can get out of there. Okay. So this seems to be working. I think the save data is working. Let's just play and see if the save data works. Because I can go into the game manager, I can see the values. Game manager. Oh, I guess I can't see the game values. Alright, that's fine. Let's see how much time I have left. It's 10:30. I actually think I'm out of time. Yep, I am out of time. Okay. Made a big UI update, but still did not figure out my sync. Well, technically it got some settings stuff done. Let's go ahead and push to my repo. UI plus, or no, title screen plus, what is it? Data. Save data. Update. Okay. Changed fonts. Moved stuff. I gotta be more specific. Added sliders. Updated. Save data. Player data? What is it called again? Hang on. Game data. Updated game data class to record. Player configs. Player configurations. I think I spelled that right. This is fine. Push to origin. Alright, boys. That's it. Dabber gamer. I'm getting out of here. I got some stuff to do today. I could only stream for about, an hour and a half or so. Anyways, I made some good progress in that hour and a half. Made some good progress. No problem. Let's look at this again. Let's just double check. Okay. Alright. Alright, everybody. Have a good day. Thanks for coming. Talk to you later. Bye.